Okay, so I'm going to make this short and sweet because there's already a lot of videos on this. But they are lacking some basic and crucial information. So, these are strange four-way adjustable struts. And I had coil springs. So, what I did was I bought the coilover sleeve kit right here. And that just allows you to slide this whole threaded piece down over top of the strut. That's all that is. So that slides over it. These are the 14-inch, I think 100 or 125 pound long travel springs from Summit. And then this is your extender, or the strut spacer. There's a guy named Mike Moss and another guy named John Luderman on Facebook that sell these. I think it was like 60 bucks or something for both shipped. So the assembly goes on and the spacer goes on, threads on, and all this goes on underneath the spacer. These are the long travel coil springs. And in order to get this to work in the car, you have to have caster camber plates. Because with the caster camber plates, it has these right here. So one of them will go something like that, and then it goes up through there. So anyway, that's all. If you need help trying to find the spacers, send me a message on Facebook. It's Ike, I-K-E, and then Costner, C-O-S-T-N-E-R. I think my profile says I live in Somalia or some shit, so just ignore that. But send me a message if you have any questions or any help if I don't respond to your comment on here on YouTube. All right, that's all I got for you.